Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, September 19th, 2024. Let's find out what is the situation on the Bitcoin after the Fed interest rate decision. So you are looking at the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto exchange. This is a daily time frame chart, and what we have here is of course the Elliott wave cycle. Now this is my take on the current Elliott wave scenario, what happened and how it can develop in the future. So what do we have here is of course the top for the wave 3. The top for the wave 3 might be located just here. Let me just place my line. There you go. This is the top for the wave 3. 73,550. Now from the top of the wave 3 we got A, B, C to the downside. Let me just get this B, C to the downside. So that's the first wave of the correction. That's the wave W. Connector X looks like a zigzag to me. So we got the zigzag as X and the expanding triangle, a very rare pattern in the wave Y. So we got flat correction ABC in the wave W, zigzag in the wave C, and expanding triangle in the wave W. Ended up not yesterday but a few days ago, 9th of the September at the level of 50,000 tethers, and since then we got the movement to the upside. It looks like this movement is already an impulsive one. So after the correction in the wave 4 cycle is done, and it looks like it's done because A, B, C, D, E expanding triangle looks terminated at the wave at the level of 50,000 tethers. Now we are in the impulsive cycle, 5-wave impulsive cycle for the wave 5, for the big wave 5, like it is indicated here. So wave 3 top is done, corrective cycle in the wave 4 is done, and then the movement to the upside to unfold the wave 5 is now in progress. Invalidation of this count comes with the new low below this one here. So this is below 50,000 tethers. So then there is of course different cycle, more complex, more time consuming for the wave 4, still possible. However, for now it looks like our scenario is correct, and after 180, I think 190 days, after 190 days we finally have confirmation that the market possibly bottomed on the level of 50,000 tethers, and it's unfolding the impulsive wave to the upside, wave 5. The targets for the wave 5 are not here on this chart. Don't get misfooled by this situation here, this level here. No, there's no target yet. First we need to break above the wave 3 high, and then we can talk about some potential targets for the wave 5. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.